No matter you've been Jioufen before or you are planning to visit it, we all know about that the scenery is wonderful, especially lanterns light up in the night. You will see how stunning it is. But if you want to get closer to Taiwanese lifestyle, having a cup of tea is definitely to be the first.
The oldest tea house in Jioufen with 100 years old building. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jioufen Teahouse, Jioufen茶坊. Now we are just in front of Jioufen Teahouse. Let's go check it out.
The atmosphere changes when you step in. There are colors, light and dark, antique furniture and new ones. It should be contradiction, but composed very well nevertheless.
Having tea is a major social way to Taiwanese. Our parents brew tea to treat their friends in living room. Many Taiwanese are familiar with the scene. Tea house was popular in 1990s, and now tea fashion is coming back.
There is a gallery hiding in the tea house. Tea is just one of daily necessities, but life could be lovely a little more. We usually take everyday life as routine, but just change a little bit. We could build our whole new world.
There are invitational exhibitions in this gallery, and most of the artists are Taiwanese. Its showcases are made by Taiwanese cypress, making artworks more admirable.
Pass through the door. There is a path next to an abandoned house. Don't be afraid, just go downstairs. You'll find a mysterious ceramic studio right there.
It's the first kiln in Jioufen. Most original tea wares of Jioufen Teahouse are proven from here. It also produces all kinds of handmade portraits here, so you could see the sign at the bottom of it.
Walk down the long stairs. The scenery is beautiful. Then we turn right. There stands a building made from bricks. This is branch store of Jioufen Teahouse, Artist Teahouse, 水心月茶坊。
If you prefer retro surrounding, Jioufen Teahouse must be the first choice. But if you want to immerse in the fine scenery, Artist Teahouse is definitely on the top of your list. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.